बहुत अच्छा, मतलब मुझे बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है कि आप लोगों ने केक भेजा. आई एम फीलिंग वेरी इमोशनल ऑल्सो एट दिस मोमेंट बिकॉज सो मच लव. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hey guys, I'd like to congratulate Team Tashan and Ishq, and especially you guys, Jasmine and Siddhant, for completing 100 episodes of the show. More power to you all. Hope it stays for the longest time possible, since it's without a doubt the best show on air right now. Thank you, whosoever you are. I sit in front of my TV laptop every single day with the same excitement. This is huge. This is huge for us too. Thank you.
Thank you so
You
much.
were so right, Siddhant. Kunj is goals. It's better inspire all the guys to inspire all the guys out there. He's absolutely perfect. Well, to the extent a human can be. Amazing son-in-law, husband, simply one adorable guy. Thank you so much for giving life to this character. I love you too.
Yeah, amazing co-actor also.
But thank you.
Okay,
This
next, read.
really means a lot. And इतनी तारीफ, इतनी खुशी मुझे आती है. मैं actually I'll tell you something. मुझे सुबह से थोड़ी सी मेरी तबीयत खराब है.
बट ये पढ़ के ना अचानक से सेम है.
और एकदम से पता नहीं कैसे एनर्जी आ गई. थैंक यू. मेरा नेक्स्ट सीन बेटर होगा आपकी वजह से. And Jasmine. I think you should.
Okay. And Jasmine. Twinkle's the cutest girl ever. Only you could give life to this character. At least no one could have played this character with this much ease. I feel like pulling your cheeks every single time. Can you do it for me? A complete Punjabi pataka. Beauty with brains. I just love you, doll. I love you too. Thank you so much. Okay, sending a cake to celebrate. It's a bit late though, sorry. Some small gifts to thank you both for everything, for giving us twins and for the memories so far. Thank you, and obviously to show you guys that I love you immensely. Keep rocking, loads of love. Thank you so much, Maria. Can you and also Huma, Pooja, Yamini, Reshma, thank you so much, guys. You have no idea how special and how nice I am feeling. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Huma, Pooja, Yamini, Reshma. Thanks a lot.
We love you. Do come on set to meet us.
Yes, please do come, and this is very encouraging, and we'll try to entertain you guys more and more, really. नहीं, अभी हमें सिर्फ खाने के ऊपर ध्यान
देना चाहिए. On your behalf, girls.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yum, thank you.
It is.
एक्चुअली जिन सब ने गिफ्ट्स भेजे हैं, जो बहुत सारा हमें प्यार कर रहे हैं, उनको आई थिंक उनको भी हमारे वही सीन्स अच्छे लगते हैं जो हमें खुद के लगते हैं.
No, my favorite scene was the wedding scene because that day a different chapter started in Twinkle's life. So that is my favorite scene, the wedding scene, because the show is about Twinkle's journey. So from that stupid girl, that love affair and all that, she gets married to Siddhant and a new chapter starts. So for me that was the most important and a very favorite scene of mine.
Yeah, but I like all the masti wale scenes because I love doing masti. I like to make you guys laugh. I hope you laugh in our scenes and be as humorous as possible and be as energetic as possible. And दिन अच्छा जाता है ना, ऐसे हंसते रहो तो खून बढ़ता है. So आपकी रगों में जो खून है वो मेरा दिया हो.